Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn this formal photo to become this artistic one. As you can see, there is a man standing inside of the office and also wearing the formal suit, and with the special prompt he can be transformed into this photo. As you can see, he is sitting on the skyscraper building, and the background will be it's like the New York City, and he is holding the a cup of coffee, and the steam have the form it's like the love shape. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access the nano banana. But if you would like to access the nano banana from your Gemini AI, then it is very okay, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email guys. And this time I would like to access it with the Google AI Studio, and I have also done the login or sign up. And after that you can click the get started and it will bring you into this section. And the next step is you can start to select a picture from your device like this. And after that you can start to use this prompt, and don't worry because I will put this prompt into the description box. And as you can see, the detail of this prompt is the request to transform this picture to become this one. For example, turn a photo of this person into a giant sitting on top of the skyscraper with the realistic perspective, making them appear massive compared to the city below. This is the city background and also the sky, even the atmosphere. I guess this is the maybe it kind of the sunset. And after that you can start to put this detail of what the person wearing on. For example, wearing the stylish modern clothes, holding a cup of coffee with steam forming a heart shape in the sky. Like this is the a cup of coffee, and this is the steam making the form of love like this. And you can also add the detail or of the look or the output that you would like to see. For example, the cinematic ultra realistic style, and also the vibrant color dramatic wide angle view. And after this run button has been activated or to become yellow as the banana, so you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result. And basically or generally the design or the output would be like this guys. And as you can see, this is the result. But if you feel not satisfied with this result, then you can click this rerun this turn, and it will be show you the output over here. So you can try this prompt, and please let us know how is the output or the result with your version. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.